Hi, my name is Olaoluwadayome and I have with me here.
My name is Arómirẹ Ògìdán, popularly known as Arómirẹ Ògìdán.
It's so good to have you here. So you have a book coming. What's the title of the book?
The title of the book is Gílọlá Arómirẹ Ògìdán.
Oh, that's a nice name. Where did you coin the name from?
Well, it is not exactly a coinage. Should I say it's just a combination of regular Yoruba names. So it's more of an eponymous title because it takes the name of, should I say, the major character in the book.
Oh, okay. Speaking about the character in the book, what should we be expecting from the characters in the book?
Well, the standards are the standards at the end of the day.
Okay, is that you not trying to tell us?
When people read the book, they are basically seeing a version of themselves, either a version of their older selves or a version of their present selves within it. So I mean, it's basically, the book itself is basically an introspection into the regular lives and into our regular society. So the expectation is the reality at the end of the day.
That's something we should look forward to. So who should we be expecting? Like what character? The Gílọlá you said is the character in the book.
Yes.
What should we be expecting from Gílọlá Arómirẹ Ògìdán herself?
Well, do not place your expectations too high and do not place it too low either.
That's something. So you're not even giving us an hint of okay, this is who she is, this is who she is not.
Well, she's a female.
Okay, I agree. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you soon.
My absolute pleasure.